pretty. Charot. Eh, pogi naman yun. Parang Koreano. Wow, our ate is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that guy. From head to toe. Look at her earrings. Show your earrings. Wow, that's so pretty and nice. She's so pretty. How about her daddy? Hi, daddy. Our best daddy in the world. Happy Father's Day. We love you so much.
Palipakan ng damit.
Yay. Ay, talaga? Anong damit? Yan. O, sige. Sige. Wow. You like it?
Something looks like lava.
Oh yeah. Wow. Ito si Alice. Alice first time. Yay. Is it beautiful? Yeah, that's volcano. Later, okay? We will go there.
We're going to walking chair.
Yeah, later. Volcano. Oh no. Hi, volcano. Hi. Say hi, volcano. Hi, volcano.
Is the volcano out on the front or on the right?
The flat one, I think.
Yeah.
The flat one, yeah. Volcano.
A volcano looks
Hi,
like
volcano.
Lava.
Volcano. Ang cute, ang ganda. Hi, volcano. Ang cute. Gumanda siya lalo, no, babe?
Yeah?
Oo. No, na-appreciate niya yung babe, volcano. Hi siya ng hi. Hi, Kano. Ang cute. Ang cute. Bye, volcano. You like the volcano? It's so beautiful, right? Wow, look at that.
Wow! Wow! The cheese looks so yummy.
Hey. Hi guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. Happy Father's Day. Yay! Look! Wow!
Ayaw mo bigyan. Ayaw mo bigyan. Bigyan ko lang yan.
Father's Day. Love you. Ate. Ate, are you done picking?
What? Sabi na Tagaytay yun.
Wow. May kasal ngayon. Meron pa dun boss, parking?
Mommy, get a picture with the big.
Ganda, no?
I'm getting a picture with the big. Wait, Mommy, I want to see the garden.
Thank you. Coffee.
Ba't anong gatok mo dami? Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Ang laki ng nagastos natin. Hi baby, say hi.
Harap ka.
Uy, alay. Ate, dyan lang muna yung ano mo, tablet mo. Ano lang kami dati. Muni-muni. Ay, muni-muni. Ang tawag. Ayan na, wala ng ano. Ulan.
Harap ka.
Can I picture there? On the pink one.
Later. Ayan, no more na. I think we can bring it there. Hmm? 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 Hmm?
Try. Hindi lang.
Ate, Alex, go there. Say hi to flamingos. Hi, flamingo. Hi, flamingo. Si ate, oh. Enjoy. Ay, tayo. Dali, sige, ako si Alex maganda. Doon, maganda. Go to ate. Go to ate. You have to say hi. Hi, flamingo. Sana, ano ba to? Dandelion ba? Hindi, no? Gusto ko ng dandelion.
Picture daddy there and that.
Anak, dito. Inside here. Doon. Yan. Your turn. Oh, follow, ate. Lula. Yeah. Secret Lagusa. Ay, daddy, meron pa pala dito, oh.
My emotions in
Ganda.
a healthy manner
Walang ganda, oh.
and just become the right person that actually matters. Every day I drive my car to my little job and I find some peace in the stations that I throw
Ate,
away.
don't go in front of a person swinging. Over here.
But I wish there was a
Space.
song
There.
with your name.
Wow, ganda, ate. So cute together.
Okay, little push, okay, like that.
Parang future and ano. Ate, wag malakas ha.
Hindi ako nagmalakas.
You're so cute together.
Hi.
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 This was... Oh, okay. Your turn na, ate.
No.
Tara na. Let's
It's not
go to
raining.
other
Let's go.
flowers.
No.
Okay. Naintindihan niyo ako. Sabi ko tara na sa mundo.
Go. I gotta catch you.
Cute.
Catch you.
Catch you.
Yeah. Ano?
Where's ate? Sige, dyan lang kayo maghabulan ate ha. Wow. Ingal na. Ate, dito lang kayo maghabulan ha. Ate.
It's okay. Ready?
Sige, dati, hayaan mo lang, hayaan mo lang.
Ready lang.
Daddy. Napagod sa Father's Day. Alex.
Hi.
Ikot, ikot.
Ikot,
Yay.
ikot.
Yay. Mahulog kayo dyan, Daddy. Yay. 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 Nailo ko, Bi. Okay. Ayun, lapit niya ako. Yung orange. Alex Fish, oh.
Wala na.
Okay. Ayun, ang dami pa.
Wow.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I think it's going super down right here.
Yeah. Hi, fish. Did you see the fish, Alex?
Maganda ba yung clouds?
Yeah.
Magana ka muna?
Ate, sir.
Tapat mo na lang talaga yung pinapatuan mo.
Say hi.
Picture on my tablet. How do you picture on my